One of the most celebrated sculptors and painters of this century, Pablo Picasso, was once quoted as saying, "Good artists copy while great artists steal." In essence, he was saying, do not just go out there and copy and paste an idea. Steal the idea and find a way of owning it. When you see a great idea, as an artist, the first question that should go into your mind, how do I make this particular idea my own? We see Picasso using the same technique. Most of his paintings that are famous today have characteristics of ancient West African art, in particular the Benin Empire or the Edo Kingdom, which is current day-to-day Nigeria. He carried the same characteristics that the sculpture pieces had, and he applied them into most of his paintings, and he modeled, he owned the style. The whole Chauvinism movement was influenced by African art. Why? Because they modeled what the Africans were doing and transferred it into their own paintings, and they owned it. That is what modeling is all about.